WhatsApp is the world's most popular messaging application. The Twilio API for WhatsApp makes it super simple for you to connect your business to the over 2 billion users on the WhatsApp platform. If you've used Twilio's SMS API, you already know how it works. Let's see how to get started in the Twilio console. I'm over in the console on the Explore Products page, and from here I'm going to click on Messaging. From this page, we have a couple of options. There's a Try WhatsApp button here on the main page, and over in the sidebar, there's also a Send WhatsApp message. I'm going to click the Try WhatsApp button to head over to the WhatsApp Sandbox. Now we need to send a message to the Sandbox number with the message join white butterfly or whatever your message shows on screen. I'm going to use the QR code to make this really easy. I'll take out my phone, scan the QR code, and open that in WhatsApp, which will pre-populate the join message, and I can just hit send. Once the message is sent, we see the results of that and we can try out the WhatsApp Sandbox. Every process starts with sending a business-initiated message, and we've got some templates. There's order notifications, verification codes, and these are templatized, but we're going to send one using the appointment reminders template, and I'm just going to change the date to March 1st. Once I have that ready to go, I can send that template message over to the phone. Once the message is successfully sent, we'll see the response back from the WhatsApp API, and if we take a look at the phone, we'll see that the message was properly sent to our phone. The next part of the process shows us what happens when the user initiates the conversation. So now we need to take the phone back out and respond to the message. I'll just tap the confirm button to send confirm back to the sandbox, and we can confirm here in the body field that we received the message correctly in the sandbox. Since this is a user-initiated conversation, we don't have to respond with a template this time, so I'll respond with, "Thank you for confirming your appointment. See you on March 1st at 3 p.m. Now if I hit send your reply, we'll see the response from sending the message, and if I pull out my phone, we'll see that it was properly delivered to my phone inside of WhatsApp. Now that you've been successful with the Sandbox, you're probably wondering how you can get started with your own Twilio number and sending using your own WhatsApp sender. Click on this register your own WhatsApp sender, and you'll land on this page that has all the information that you need to have to send, including your business information, your Meta account, and a Twilio number. So click the Get Started button if you want to get started with that. There's also a handy Learn More button here that'll take you over to the Twilio docs for WhatsApp at twilio.com/docs/WhatsApp, so you can learn everything that you need to know and get started with a quick start in your preferred programming language. And if you want even more WhatsApp content, head over to the Twilio blog and search for WhatsApp. Here you'll find a bunch of articles written by Twilions and people from the community that will show you how to build really cool stuff using the WhatsApp business platform. As always, let us know in the comments what you want to see next on the channel.